Most retirement plans are built on a blueprint from 1994, the 4% rule, the 60-40 split, safe bonds, rules of thumb that were never stress-tested against the economy you're actually retiring into. I'm a structural engineer. On this channel, I treat your retirement like a load-bearing structure, and I run the same audit I'd run on a bridge. Where is the overloaded column? What is the real load rating of your safe assets? What fails first when the market puts weight on it? Every week, one briefing. I take a retirement gold standard, put it under load, and show you exactly where it cracks and how to rebuild it so it holds for 30 years. No hype, no hot stock tips, just the engineering view of your money. If that's how you want to think about retirement, subscribe to the Blueprint Room. Class dismissed.